Welcome back to ClearTask. In this video, we are looking at how to download your TurboTax software directly from Amazon after your purchase. This guide is updated for 2026 to help you navigate Amazon's current layout and get your software installed quickly. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Make sure you are completely logged into the exact account you used to buy the software. Look at the top right corner of the page and hover over the Account and Lists menu right below your name. Click on Account from the drop-down list. On your main account page, you are looking for your digital library. Scroll down slightly and find the box labeled Digital Content and Devices. Then click on the link for Digital Games and Software. If Amazon's layout looks a bit different on your screen, there is an easy shortcut. Simply click on the Returns and Orders buttons at the very top right of the main page and then click on the Digital Orders tab. Both of these paths will take you straight to your TurboTax 2026 purchase. Right next to your TurboTax order, you will clearly see your activation code, which might also be labeled as your product key. Next to that key, click the button that says Download to save the installer file to your computer. Leave this Amazon window open in the background. Once the download finishes, launch the installer on your computer. When the TurboTax setup asks for your license code, simply copy the key from your Amazon page and paste it into the software. That is all there is to it. If you found this quick guide helpful, please drop a like on the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.